Tagsang nipabati sa ilang pahayag ang 13 ka mga kandidata sa Miza Norte 2024 sa mga nagkadaing issue nga gipangutana kanila sa mga miyembro sa prensa sa Dipolog City at tol sa gihimong press conference. Matag pangutana ilang gitubag base sa ilang gihuptang mga prinsipyo ug nagkadaiyang kasinatian sa kinabuhi. Lahi-lahi ang ilang pahayag mahitungod na sa Absolute Divorce Bill. Pipila kanila ang uyon niini apan do nagihapoy nagpabiling supak sa divorce.
I would stand by my religion. I would say no to divorce because in the first place, that is the purpose of courtship. To know the person, to know his flaws, the pros and cons of that person. So I think we should put emphasis on knowing the person first. We must also educate our children how to choose the right person, not just because you love him and you have like a month or like a year.
It would be a no for me because I believe that according to the Bible, marriage is sacred and those partners have already had their vows in front of God, and it is something that we must value and treasure. I believe that it is a great idea because first and foremost, not every love story has a happy ending. Some of the partners or some of the couples might experience violence and they might experience being cheated on.
The product of a broken family. I've been in an environment that is toxic and abusive. And it's not just the partners or our parents who are affected by this, but they're also affecting the children. And I want to say that let us also prioritize the well-being of our children.
Gipangutana sab sila mahitungod na sa issue sa pagsuot og two-piece o swimwear sa matag pageant nga nakamaot sa imahe sa mga kababayen-an.
I think having this pageant is one way for us to express who we are, our identity, our personality, the way how we want to advocate the community. At the same time, I don't see any problem with that all because that is the problem of the perspective of that person, and that is not for me to.
We as younger generation, we as younger generations know we're open to this kind of topics, and it's not actually about disregarding or exploiting women rights, because we have the real autonomy of ourselves as women.
For me, it is not showcasing nudity, but it is showcasing and embracing our own shape of our body, embracing our flaws, because as you can see, we have our own.
Wearing swimsuit is not just about showing off our body, because especially when you don't have something to show off that really.
We should change how men should respect and perceive women. We no longer should normalize sexualizing women who are public figures. We should instead remind ourselves that pageantry is showcasing our individuality.
Pipila lang kini sa mga issue ug matag kandidata ang nipakita sa ilang kahanas sa pagtubag sa mga nagkadaiyang pangutana. Opisyal nga ipaila-ila sa publiko ang mga kandidata sa Miza Norte 2024 sa pagbukas sa Hudyaka Festival. Dina Jestro, Newsline Philippines, Province of Zamboanga del Norte. Stay safe.